What's up, guys? So for Christmas, my wife got me this automatic grill cleaning robot. And I have a robot that already mows my lawn, and I have a robot vacuum down in the basement. So why not use a grill cleaning robot, right? So I am going to put this to use for the first time because currently there's a pretty big mess on my grill. And we're just going to see how it goes. We're going to unbox this here real quick, maybe. And read the instructions and see how complicated the setup could be. Let's see what we're working with. Oh, I love this. It comes with a little carrying case with a hook on the back, so you can hook it to your grill. What's this? Very important tips. First time use set timer for 30 minutes for proper break-in. Brushes are sharp. Handle with care. Please remember to always close lid when in use. Charge or discharge the battery to approximately 50% capacity before storage. When not in use, charge the battery a maximum of 30 minutes every 2 to 3 months. That doesn't seem too bad. And then what else do we have in here? I think that's about it. So, thank you for your purchase. Activate 60 days risk-free trial and your 1-year warranty today. And then owner's guide, safety manual, blah blah blah. Yeah, I never read all that stuff. We're gonna open this up. We're gonna break out the grill bot here. See what we're working with. Let's see. I'll set you guys up right here. Give you a side view. Pop it open. All right. So this is the grill bot. In size, I'd say, probably comparable to about a dinner plate or something like that. The bristles are sharp, but they're plastic, so you don't have to worry about metal shavings or anything like that. And we're just gonna kind of, let's see. Battery storage. Charge or discharge the battery to 50% capacity before storage. Apparently that's a big deal. Keep away from fire, turn the grill off, and close lid. Alright, well, I'm going to go show you guys what the grill looks like, and then we're going to try this out, because I'm curious to see how it works. Let's see, will it turn on for me? Nope, not yet. So, first we're going to charge it, somehow, and then we'll do it. I'm going to find a charge port in here. I didn't see one? Uh-oh. Ah, there we go. It's a USB charger, of course. So, GrillBot comes with a little USB to DC charging end. So, I'll just plug that in up here and get that going. And once it's done charging, I'll be right back. Okay, guys, it looks like GrillBot is fully charged. So now let's take it outside, see how it does. So this is the grill brush my mom got for me. It's decent, but it's a little tough because it doesn't really grab the dirt off of the grill too great with this like this metal chain looking texture. So I'll just show you guys. I like to cook on the left side of the grill. We do a lot of barbecue stuff out here, so you can tell the grill looks pretty gross. So I'm gonna put this on for the first time ever. You can see, brand new out of the box, and we'll turn it on. And you're supposed to close the lid on it. So we'll see how well it does. I'll be back shortly. Alright guys, moment of truth. I'd say GrillBot did a pretty good job breaking some things up. There's still quite a bit kind of in between here. So one thing I learned is that if you put GrillBot on the grill, and the number of times you push it is the amount of time that it will do in 10-minute increments up to 30. So if I push the button 3 times, it'll do a 30-minute run on the grill. So I'm gonna let it start and do its thing again. All right, guys, I let George, yes, that's what I'm gonna call him because all the robots must have a name. The vacuum is Mildred. The robot mower is Hank. This is George. I let George go for a 30-minute session, and honestly, he did an excellent job. It looks much better than it did before. The stuff that's up here on the main grate of the grill has largely been cleaned off, and it's pretty smooth. There are some spots, obviously, where George didn't get everything, but you know, it's Grill Robot, so I'm not really sure what to expect. The stuff that's caught underneath, you know, this is a grill grate here that comes up, and it's a little broken because it fell off the deck at one point. But you know, it's all loose. That's what really matters. So basically, all that has to be done now is this just has to have the bottom grate cleaned out, and you know, what the heck? I might put George on the bottom grate and let him do some work. Why the heck not? You can see all the stuff that he's managed to break loose. And you can see that the grill progressively gets better and better as you go the other direction. But yeah, this is pretty stuck on. So we're gonna put George in for one more 30-minute session, and I'll come back and I'll let you guys know what happened. This is what it's supposed to look like when nothing's been cooked on it. Are you ready, George? There you go. What's up, guys? We're back now at the grill again. We've been at this for a while, so now it's sunsetting here in Cedar Rapids. Let's lift this up and see how well he did. Whoa. Okay, so still a fair bit stuck on here, but it's, for the most part, broken up on the grill. All this is fairly loose and just ready to be blown off. So good job, GrillBot. Did a great job. He carried it kind of around the grill, but honestly, I'm not mad. I think it's great. I think the GrillBot did a great job, and I can always supplement the GrillBot with this one that my mom gave me. Get all the hard stuff up. Look at that. Some of it, I think, just straight up needs chipped out of there because it's been in there for so long, but overall, I'd say it did a pretty good job. You might have taken an air compressor to it, or just, you know, kind of lifting these lift out as well, and then I can just dump them out. Overall, I mean, I'd say I think I have a much cleaner grill thanks to George, so way to go, buddy. So anyway, guys, that's George the GrillBot. Thanks for watching. If you liked content like this, definitely smash that like button and subscribe, because you know, George did a pretty good job. This is a one-off for sure. I don't usually do grill content, but you know, it's a robot, so why not? Thanks for watching, guys.